friends came to
myself.
me.
I called him.
My friends came to me first.
My mom had to go to the children's center with my sisters, and I sat there while they was in the back, and I called him, and I told him, I said, I'm pregnant. I said, I'm pregnant.
So you're saying you did tell him to his face?
No, I was on the phone with him.
On the phone, and you say, Mr. Stone, you heard it from somebody else.
My friends called me first.
It didn't hurt.
All right.
Somebody else.
So I don't think they've agreed on one point today, Jerome. I mean, not one thing. It's as if you all were in two different galaxies and somehow ended up with a potential child.
I agree with you.
Everything you say, I don't think they agreed on anything but the threesome.
Yeah, it's true.
And that's not a good thing.
No.
And that's why we're here today.
Yes, ma'am.
Jerome, I'm ready for the results. These results were prepared by DNA Diagnostics, and they read as follows. In the case of Rogers versus Stone, when it comes to 7-month-old Christian Rogers, it has been determined by this court. Mr. Stone, you are not the father.
Told you I don't get lying about nothing. I know what I did. I paid for extra.
It's cool.
Not cool. Child.
It is cool. You proved what you wanted to. You proved that I'm such the whore that you think I am. You proved it.
It's not that I wanted to know for a fact. I wanted to know for a fact is that my child or not.
You proved it. You
Just like
proved
I
I'm
told
such
you,
the
I'm
whore.
not
I don't know who
no
my
man or
baby
girl
daddy.
without a
You
father,
proved it.
period.
You proved your point. You're good.
Do you know who Christian's biological father is, since it is not Mr. Stone?
Yeah. But he doesn't want nothing to do with me or Nugget, so.
So what we have to do now is very important. I want you to understand that just because you have the children, and I know they're young now, I don't want you to feel like you cannot become something. Your children are blessings, and you're still worth every opportunity that comes before you. Getting yourself an education is going to be key. You're going to need that. Mr. Stone, I know. And I tell you what, you all used to be very close friends. Miss Rogers probably can use a friend, but a real friend. Not one that's getting her into situations that's going to negatively affect her future, but one that will build her up and remind her what's possible.
Always been here for her. Always. I just wanted to know the truth.
Good. I want you all to get back to just being friends, real friends, platonic friends. And Miss Rogers, use your village. Mr. Stone loves your baby, and you never know how he can be of help to you. Whatever you need, make sure you check on her, okay? I wish you all the very, very best of luck. Court is adjourned.